Hatchpicks and DIY. Good morning, guys. We're here to reinstall the seat cover of our car. This is an old coldoroy seat cover of a Toyota Avanza, so I just wash and dry this. This video is simply teach you on how to install the seat cover on your car. So regardless it's new or a used seat cover, so gonna teach you on how to install it and tie it properly, and let's begin. So guys, as you can see, I just place all the seat covers where it should be, so for just to have a easy and smooth installation of the seat cover. This one is for the front driver's side, since it has a zipper here, and gonna if you want to use this packet at the back of the driver side seat cover as seats. Okay, so let's start here. So now just going to remove the headrest. Okay, then okay, just simply insert over, then expose the holes for the headrest here. Okay, and insert headrest. Okay, that's good. Since you have then setting up the cover, this is the ties. Here. So just give an allowance, do not over tight the ties. So okay, this is how to tie it properly. So if you're going to remove this again, so you can easily remove it by pulling this and okay, we're done here. The next here. All right. Okay, we're done on the driver's side. It's all good. Alright. Then the passenger side. Okay. So we're done on the first row, the second row. So finally, I'm going to fix the third row seats. Let's begin. So we have to remove this. Okay. So guys, we're done installing all the seat covers from the first row, second row, and the third row. Here. Okay. So that's all good. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, and you learn how to install easily this kind of seat covers on your car. So particularly this is a Toyota Avanza. So for those who are not yet subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe. Please like this video. Have a nice day. Bye.